Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial, in which we will discuss on stock valuation report which belongs to supermarket industry. Let's start with an overview. As we have told you in our stock valuation report for pharma means who deals in pharma industry. That stock valuation means calculating the value of the closing stock. In Mark ERP software, with the use of stock valuation report, we can view the stock in hand and the present value of the stock. Stock valuation report is generated in two methods, that is on average rate and master basis. We can choose to value their stock in both of these methods. Now let's see the process in the software. For that, firstly we will go to stocks menu, then click on stock valuation. So a stock valuation window will appear where first field is stock as on. In stock as on, we will enter the date that till when we want to view the stock. Then is selected company, and in which we will choose whether to evaluate the stock company wise or not. Suppose if we select yes, so a select company window will appear. Press plus key or space bar to select a company, and to select all companies press star key. So for now we select selected companies as per our requirement and then press escape key. Now in report MRP wise, we will select whether to view the report MRP wise as yes or no respectively from the drop down. For now we will set this field to yes, means we want a report MRP wise. Now in stock status, if we want to value the both stocks means available and unavailable stocks, so we will choose whole, and to only value the available stock we will choose available. Suppose we want to value whole stock, so we will select whole. Now in selected group we will choose whether to evaluate the stock group wise or not. Suppose we want to evaluate the stock group wise, so we will set this field as yes from the drop down. So as we selected yes, a group window will appear. We will press plus key or spacebar key to select a group, and to select all group press star key. Next, in valuation on, we can view that all the rates are available. We can select the rate as per own requirement to evaluate the stock. Suppose we want to evaluate the stock on purchase rate, so we will select purchase rate from this drop down. Now in valuation base on, we will select the base to value the stock from the two methods, that is master basis or average basis. If an item has been purchased twice on different rates like rupees 100 and rupees 110, then using the average basis, the stock will be valued on total amount divided by total quantity. Suppose here 210 divided by 2. But if we select master basis, then the stock will be valued on the rate in master. So as per own requirement, we will choose the method of valuation based on. Now in with tax, we will choose whether to value the stock with tax or without tax. If we want to value the stock with tax, so we will select yes. And if we want to value the stock without tax, so we will select no here. Now if we want to enable more options, then we will select yes. Otherwise, keep this field as it is. Then click on accept. Now we can view that stock valuation as per selected date window is displayed. And to view the report in Excel, we can click on Excel button below. And as we will click on this icon, the software will show this path window, which displays that your report is exporting in Excel, and it will save on this location on your system. Now click on Excel button. So this type of report of stock valuation for supermarket generated in Excel. So friends, in this tutorial we have learned that how we can value the supermarket stock in Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.